Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to brighten the screen on a Fitbit Charge 4. This will be a super duper easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the screen on the Fitbit Charge 4. Now here's the problem, I should say, that some people experience, okay? So I was gonna say here's some of the problems, but here's the problem that some people experience. In certain lighting conditions, you get the dim version of the screen, and in other lighting conditions, you get the normal version of the screen, the normal brightness version of the screen. And most of the time, when it goes to the dim version, it's because it's automatically dimming, but you might want it to be normal brightness, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna swipe to the left, okay? We're gonna continue swiping to the left until we get to settings. We're gonna tap on the settings option. Okay, now here you see it says brightness. That's one of the options that we're dealing with, and brightness is set to auto. This is basically what will fix your problem. When the brightness is set to auto, sometimes it operates at a normal brightness and other times at a dimmer brightness. Just like your cell phone will adjust according to the lighting conditions, your Fitbit does the same thing, okay? So what we want to do is from that screen that we were just on right there, let's go back to settings, let's go back to where I was. From that screen, we want to change it instead of auto, not dim, right? We want it to be normal. And with the normal brightness, you're going to get basically the full brightness all the time. You had auto, which will automatically brighten or dim according to the lighting conditions. Okay. We had dim, which will keep it dim all the time if that's what you want. But if you want it to be brighter, then you want to leave it on normal, just like I showed you right there. The normal brightness level will keep it at sort of this brightest setting right here. Okay. So once again, we have normal, auto, which will automatically do it, dim, which keeps it dim, and normal. You want it on the normal setting. Once you set your brightness at normal setting, it will stay the brightest possible, all the time. That's it. It's literally that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.